wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car drying towels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Carcarez Premium feature an edgeless design, so it's impossible for a rough corner to accidentally scuff or chip your paint job. These come in a pack of 6, making them a great value and allowing you to rotate them out during washes. They're not overly expensive and stand up to household dryers. However, they can leave behind fibers at first. At number 9, the itavah Ultra Thick have reinforced edges that significantly reduce the odds of them fraying. They come in a pack of 3 and each features a dark colored side, so stains from tires or polish shouldn't stand out too much. They're pleasantly heavy and the colors don't fade. They claim to soak up 10 times their weight. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the sheepskin leather of the jiaaomei chamois is tanned with fish oil to make it both softer and more absorbent. It comes in 2 sizes, so you can order the smaller one for detailing work or to cut up for use on eyeglasses and smartphone screens. It comes with a bonus computer cleaning brush and a no questions asked refund policy. However, it emits a strong fishy odor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car drying towels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Chemical Guy's Woolly Mammoth is especially thick, which is good for both its ability to absorb liquids and how it feels. It's nearly twice as big as most other options, so you can get your work done in a much more expedient fashion. It's got silk bands around the edges and is machine washable, but it sheds some lint. Moving up our list to number 6, the cleantools Absorber is a synthetic chamois made of polyvinyl alcohol, giving it a uniformity that leather options can't guarantee. This has the added benefit of making it easy to reuse regularly since it's machine washable. It's resistant to mold and mildew and available in vibrant colors. However, it is somewhat stiffer than others. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Zwipes Professional 2-pack gives you the waffle weave cloths you need for an eye-catching, spotless shine. They're stylish grey with black trim, and thanks to their admirable absorbency, they're good for swabbing large spills around the home. These are sized well for boats and trucks and produce no annoying lint, though their edges are scratchier than some. At number 4, offering over 10 square feet, the rag company Dry-Me-a River provides a ton of coverage for its price. It boasts a waffle-like texture for absorbing more water while leaving fewer unsightly streaks. And if this one is too big, smaller sizes are available. It's designed to withstand many washings and is fabricated with durably stitched edges. However, it feels thin to some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Buff Cleaning Cloth works well whether you're hosing your car down or using waterless products. They can also be used to clean up spots on the carpet, which makes them useful to have around no matter where something needs to be mopped up. You get 12 to an order and there's a wide range of colors to select from, all with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car drying towels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're setting up a garage or you want to start a neighborhood car wash business to bring in extra income, the rag company Spectrum 420 would make for a great investment in your future. This budget-friendly 9-pack features 3 colors, black, gray, and blue. They're a practical dual-pile construction, and the black color is good for tires. There are no tags to get in your way either. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Meguiar's X2000 water magnet is sponge-like in its absorbency, so you won't have to deal with any spots. Its impressive size means that you don't need to wring it out constantly either, so your cleaning duties will end up taking significantly less of your time. The waffle texture helps prevent streaks, and it stays reliably soft. It's very big at over 2 feet wide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car drying towels, or simply click beneath this video.